The test suite validates IoT gateway integration using BACnet simulators and MQTT. Enter simulators as ID:/port:/name per line. For example, 22:47809: gateway test_1. Click Start Devices to launch them. The simulator's summary card updates. Enter your MQTT broker host and port. Add one or more MQTT data topics. Use your gateway's full topic path. Topics are saved automatically. Control topic is optional. If blank, it's derived from the data topic. Edit or remove topics anytime. For secured brokers, expand advanced settings for credentials and WSS. Enable Simulate Gateway MQTT to test the CTR to BACnet to data flow without a physical gateway. With simulators running and MQTT configured, you're ready to execute automated tests. Open Test Execution to configure and run your test suite. Select which BACnet operations to test. Enable only what your gateway supports. Set how many times to repeat the suite and the delay between loops. Click Run Test Suite. Watch execution status, progress, and pass, fail, and skip counters. When complete, open results to see every test with status, duration, and detail. Filter by pass, fail, or skip, or search by keyword. Click Export PDF to generate a test report for sharing or records. Use Stop All in the sidebar to shut down test simulators when finished. Combine results with BACnet traffic capture for full gateway validation evidence. Live monitoring shows real-time BACnet values from your running simulators. Browse the catalog of all exposed objects. Use the filter to find a specific point quickly. Select any object to see its current present value. Click Start Monitoring to begin live updates and trend plotting. The graph tracks value changes over time during your test run. Hide the graph for a compact view or stop monitoring when done. Use live monitoring alongside test execution to confirm gateway data matches BACnet simulator values.